all of us here have written books. So Rhonda has written Fearless Prayer and other books, even for children. Ketnu has not only just a book, but a journal. And we go ahead, Sister Ketnu, what you got for some final words for the sisters to do?
I just want to say thank you, Queen, for having this conversation so that we could see this in example. You know what I'm saying? Because it's one thing to tell people how to do stuff, but if they don't have the example to see how it works or what it looks like, you know what I'm saying? To see Gullah Geechee sisters coming together and sharing their gifts and edifying one another and uplifting one another and supporting one another in their businesses, and not just in word sound, because you can promise me the world all day long, but until you come up and deliver, that's when I'm gonna believe you. And it doesn't have to be a monetary thing. It could be something as simple as sharing that sister's post about her business or her achievement, or even, if you see her having a bad day and she's posting about that, inboxing her, because you don't have to put it on her wall, but inboxing her and say, I just want to hold space for you. I want to say a prayer for you. How can I help you? Do you need an ear? It could be something as simple as that, and so I want to thank all of you for being here, and thank you again, Queen, for this opportunity and the conversation, and Sister Sharonda as well. So thank you.
Yes, Ashe. And as we center ourselves and we are at one with God, when we know we are one with God, when we are in prayer, God hears us, God instills more energy in us, and that's where that renewal comes about. Be ye transformed by the renewing of the mind. And so that ongoing process, we definitely want to send out that energy to all of you as our sisters out here in this movement to be new, to be stronger, and most of all, to add more shine to that black gold. You deserve it. We love you. Peace, blessings, and power. This year, the Queen quit, head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. I so gladdy for celebrate Black Her Story Month with all of you who ready to renew. Grind on out there, sisters, and do what Hunna do. Shine that black gold and bring more richness into the world. Peace and blessings and power to you.